So how to add an emergency contact or remove them, or even how to access emergency contact on your iPhone. Suppose I want to add this contact as an emergency button, then you have to add to emergency contact, then make a relationship, and then you have to press on done. It's added as an emergency button. If you want to remove them, just press on remove and it will be gone. And I want to add it as an emergency button. Now when you lock your skin, suppose I am locking my skin, then you see this emergency button. When you press on emergency button, then again press on medical ID, then you see this is my emergency number. You can phone it from it easily. This is how you can easily add or remove a emergency number on your iPhone device. Thank you.